Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making crawfish pies. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need crawfish tails, mini pie shells, yellow onion, green onion, parsley, celery, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, garlic, cornstarch, butter, heavy whipping cream, seafood stock, shrimp and crab boil, Creole seasoning, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Begin by dicing a half of yellow onion. Dice half of green bell pepper. Dice half of red bell pepper. Dice 2 stalks of celery. Chop 5 stalks of green onion. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. Chop up some parsley. Follow the directions on your package to prepare your pie shells. In a pan, melt 1 stick of butter. Add veggies and sauté for 5 minutes or until translucent. Add minced garlic. Reduce the heat and add crawfish tails. Add a half cup of shrimp and crab boil. Season with Creole seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. Add parsley. Add half cup of seafood stock. In a bowl, mix together half cup of heavy whipping cream and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add the mixture to the pie filling. Simmer and continuously stir for 5 minutes or until it thickens. Remove the filling from the heat and allow to cool for 20 to 30 minutes. Add a generous scoop of filling to the pie shells. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And there you have it, crawfish pies. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.